everybody, my name is Caro from Φᵕᴗᵕᴜ, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a bear face paint by yourself. All you need is a face paint kit with the colors black, white, and brown, 2 types of brushes, a wide brush for the underlayer and a thin brush for the black outlines. And that's it, you got this. Here we go. Start on the top of your nose, make a small circle that goes under your bottom lips. Get more paint if you need to. Connect those lines and circle it around. You don't really need to paint the nose part because we're gonna paint that black for the black bear's nose at the end. I want you to divide your eyebrow in half, right there, and then do a half loop on top. I want you to follow the underline of your white face paint. And I want you to follow the overline of one eyebrow to the next. So go under the eyes and over the eyes. It's okay if you go a little bit over the white. Just do one outline stroke around the white on each side. For the bear's nose, I want you to first draw a straight line from under your nose to your upper lip. Then widen it like a triangle. And fill it in. To follow the line of your nose up, over, and down. Now get your thin brush for the black outline. We're gonna start with a smile. Follow your upper lip down to the edge and up like a smile. And on the other side. Now curve the smile like a cartoon. Now we're going to outline the white part of the face. Let's feather the ears as if they have hairs. So go up and connect. Go up and connect. Up and connect. Up, 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 up. Get your brush, start on this side, go whoop, and when you can't go anymore, just start again. Go down. When you can't go anymore, just start over. Now we're gonna do the teddy bear seams. They go right up here and across. And right here, we're gonna do a hashtag. It was really fun to face paint with you. I hope we can do this again another time. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Φᵕᴗᵕᴜ, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.